If you wear high heels or just regular office shoes, your feet are likely compressed and squeezed throughout the day. This can lead to foot deformities, bunions, and hammer toes. Also, if you have flat feet, it can lead to knee and hip pain. You need to strengthen the muscles that support the arch of the foot. These include numerous muscles in the foot, as well as many muscles located in the calves. I'll show you a short set of exercises to strengthen all these muscles. Let's get started. Let's start by warming up the feet. Rotate your right foot to the right 10 times. And to the left 10 times. Switch feet. Rotate to the left. And then to the right. Curl the toes away from you and then straighten them. Do this 10 times. And now do the same with the left foot. Curl the toes and then straighten them. Place your feet parallel to each other and lift your heels off the floor. Let's do 30 times. Lift your heels off the floor and hold at the top for 10 counts. Position your feet so that they form a 90-degree angle. The big toes should touch each other. Lift your heels off the floor. Let's do 20 times. Place your right foot in front of the left. The heel of the right foot touches the big toe of the left foot. Again, lift your heels off the floor 10 times. Now switch feet, left in front, right behind. The heel of the left foot touches the big toe of the right. Now you will need a block. If you don't have one, you can use a book. Squeeze the block between your feet and lift just the toes off the floor 10 times. Now lift the feet together with the block. Squeeze the block and lift. Let's do 10 times. The next movement. Watch first, then we'll do it together. First part, rise onto your toes, lifting your heels off the floor. Second part, lower the heels, lift the feet along with the block upwards. Now let's do 10 times. The next movement. Stand on the block with your heels, toes on the floor. Now lower the heels off the block. Let's do 10 times. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the practice. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos.